There are many CNC router machine products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best CNC router machines from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Lunny's CNC Router Machine. Rating 4.3. The 500W spindle is a robust and versatile component design. Its high power output enables it to deliver consistent performance, even when cutting through dense materials like aluminum and copper. This powerful spindle ensures that your machine can tackle even the most demanding projects while maintaining precision and efficiency. The maximum movement speed can reach 5,000 millimeters per minute. The spindle speed range is 0-12,000 RPM/min. All metal construction have durability, stability, and reliability. By using reinforced aluminum profiles, the machine frame can withstand heavy loads and resist wear and tear over time. Furthermore, no plastic parts, except for electrical components, ensures that the frame maintains its structural integrity even in harsh operating conditions. The CNC machine boasts a robust safety system with 6 limit switches and an emergency stop button, ensuring optimal user safety while effectively preventing any potential abnormal machine conditions. Number 4. NBX 5040 CNC Router Machine. Rating 4.4. The NBX 5040 features the self-developed trim router as a spindle, a second-to-none move in the market. Its soft start and constant current drive features make the spindle RPM slow to fast without stalling, ranging from 700 to 30,000 adjustable. The pre-assembled modular design makes the 20-minute installation possible, with just a few installation steps and wiring of electronics before starting your projects. The NBX 5040 CNC router features the driver with 32-bit chips, making the pulse frequency up to 80 kHz. It also supports transforming the code files from offline controller to local memory to engraving stapler. Create a new and friendly maker ecology. We reserved a series of expansion function ports when designing, including the 4th-axis expansion, 4-axis linkage, MPG, Z-probe toolset, air pump port, lighting port, air blowing, and dust boot placement, etc. Number 3. Genmitsu CNC Router Machine. Rating 4.5. Achieve less than plus or minus 0.03 millimeters accuracy and plus or minus 0.01 millimeters repeatability with 20 millimeters and 12 04-ball screws, linear guide rails, and closed-loop stepper motors on all axes, ensuring zero backlash, no missteps, and flawless results for detailed 3D carvings and metal engraving. Designed for large sheet processing with an open front/back layout and extended side clearance. Easily clamp, index, and carve oversized materials without pre-cutting. Ideal for cabinetry and sign-making workflows. The powerful 30,000 revolutions per minute spindle comes standard with both 1/4 inch and 1/8 inch ER11 collets for clean, fast, and stable cuts across wood, plastics, acrylic, and soft metals, offering exceptional versatility for every project. The built-in Wi-Fi module enables one-click batch production via the Genmitsu app for effortless remote operation. Compatible with rotary modules, offline controllers, dust baffles, and more, expand your capabilities instantly with plug-and-play accessories. Number 2. TTC 450 Ultra CNC Router Machine. Rating 4.6. Equipped with a high-efficiency 500W spindle motor, upgradable to a 3000W high-power model. Supports a wide speed range of 8,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute. Paired with an ER11 chuck, it accommodates various tools from 0.5 millimeters to 7 millimeters. Whether working with hardwoods, acrylic, carbon fiber, or metals like aluminum and copper, it delivers stable cutting performance, empowering you to achieve diverse creations from intricate engraving to deep milling. Features a built-in 3.5-inch IPS capacitive touchscreen and LKS CNC version 1.0 motherboard based on the GRBL open-source system, supporting seamless switching between CNC and laser modes without flashing. Programs can be run directly via TF card/USB, compatible with popular design software like ArtCam, Fusion 360, and Carbide 3D. Multilanguage interface enables barrier-free operation for global users. Number 1. Artsian CNC Router Machine. Rating 4.6. Equipped with a high-strength linear motion structure, the CNC-01 delivers repeat positioning accuracy up to 0.01 millimeters and machining precision within plus or minus 0.1 millimeters. Smooth operation ensures no step loss or vibration during engraving, ideal for professionals pursuing perfection in every project. Powered by the 4-axis intelligent controller version 1.0, featuring industrial-grade isolation chips for 24/7 continuous operation. Supports XYZ plus 4th axis linkage, 4-point centering, precision compensation, and software limits for safer, smarter, and more accurate machining. Includes a dedicated industrial handwheel controller for real-time spindle observation and control. One-click CNC/laser mode switching allows you to convert the machine into a laser engraver instantly, supporting both fine engraving and precision cutting in one setup. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.